If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your iCloud account, follow these simple steps. Keep in mind that turning off this feature may reduce the security of your account. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your account settings. Here, you will find options related to your account's security features. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to manage two-factor authentication. If it is available, you should see an option to turn it off. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Confirm your decision. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Read any warnings or information provided, and if you are sure, confirm your choice. Step 5. Update your security questions. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may need to update your security questions or other security settings. Follow the prompts to ensure your account remains secure. Remember to regularly review your account security settings to keep your information safe.